Sempa esa kana no pensu ja medindi Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back up the only nomenclature of professor's degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesim kunya econo quantum coordinates model esa kana no pensu bio e Ghana agudi eja catch abusuafo na hofo oyede oma wo fase fo na mukrum no mprafo ina se Wallace nya ba yede nkomo de e wa gokensi mu 18 saba sheno so mam se Richuku bomoden adasa on sabetian sa ka bi anytime bia ko shop bia bomoden adasa Richuku betia wo nemo betia boa emo start with the right way e Ghana kuku pa ne dia Richuku na tim sampa ezide de no aye dokodoko aye fem ana afi so aye ni kent bomoden ada se onsa ebetimi akabi na afi Game Park Limited phone pay for e de hyehyɛ so kwatian saba fi sa bere ko de hujima ebetia boa se san sika dwetria ma so etia be de fo bomoden ada sa de ho betia sa jim mesraw okọ App Store no so anahwe Game Park Limited ho enso hyehyɛ so kwen ubetia akum na afi so etia sa download kama www.gameparkgame.com na afi so wetimi e de hyehyɛ so kwetua sa tentam so star 946 hash star 946 hash na afi so all networks so sabetia sa come na for nipa info etia sa this also na hyɛ so mam say numbers no 0 to 9 easy to play and easy to win nobody beats our odds e wo Ghana ha timisraw wo de ho jima ade a eni hwamo de bia da Game Park Games no more mula more power and yedi one dance dem game no regulated by the National Lottery Authority na afi so woni mu fin otwen fa woni bet diwa ya wadwene betia bomutia na de adwene kakra etua sato we mu ene sponsors a omote kira bomene no penso de wo kensi wo sempa esa ka no etimi ejaw yen sha sentem pa so enfamfi Chris Hilton Black Stars of Ghana coach na me adoma enche bia no Ghana ehwenim se yede akensi ba ko betua sa tentam so de aprapre pramodwade e wo African Cup of Nations e betia ba so nesie no na ode nkomo kakra etimi se eja efa se na niam besi akọ coach and I didn't come 18 Saturday years in Yamia Doma beating to Nyama ye. Your last game ever born September boost me in Central African Republic for and this case case in beating certain times so share him saying Yamia Doma obetia Peja Frank Canadian Kunko na Ghana ya qualify for another AFCON beating Saturday our La Côte d'Ivoire na omo ebona man say Yamia Doma ultimate Ghana ebisi honi for statue kese pa e de CEO e de amano na e co minister for youth and sports so akachi amanfo beka na sentem esi Pon Sports Stadium na honsem kakra 18 pioni na say Western Nyama Asia Kwanes Stadium no omde mo contractor for bi omudwumedia omde netia sankweni omasande ama contractor for fra oboy dwuma the minister for youth and sports honorable Yusuf Mustafa eboy komosena project no esi echo
on the Sipon Sports Stadium. Yes, what the finance minister said was for the first phase. The renovation works once again was done in phases. The first phase was above 90% complete, as the finance minister said. So when the MP of the area raised the issue, we also responded by indicating that it was for the first phase. The second phase has been given to the contractor to finish, and the contractor has since moved to site. And you all understand that we needed to go through some procurement bureaucracy before we get the contractors to move to site. So we've gone through that hurdle, and the contractor is currently on site. So be rest assured that a Sipon Sports Stadium will be completed and it will be put to good use.
Into Minister for Youth and Sports, Honorable Yusuf Mustafa Natene Council, my update on the Sipon Sports Studio with Tim Sampa, Ghana Infrastructure Bibrewa, Ebuaka Muromiti, shared himself Kumbia, so Betia Resource State in Nabwa, Emaniama Etian Kuye, Edia My Shanus Mam said, my work up on so cause we are Fanina, a man in Yabrepa, Portugal for any US 90 minutes of soccer fiesta. The scoreline was barren. Ubia Timian Pusunyo Quantina Vietnam, also Transima, a Netherlands, Holland former Ekromeka, and so Ometimi Antina China, and so Transe Emma. England for a day association football by no etwomunsia omte Canada ko na fe Haiti omso transfer Denmark for etwomaka mienu a omo antimi ante omutwumadia omso edi Namia Adom matches late and so uninterrupted. Argentina better to first Sweden, Africa, South Africa, Nelson Rudler, Mandela, Maiwano, also any Italy for the Apostle Panama, and France for the Diakins in between at 10 times Nafi Jamaica, I Tayata man, also Shenim say Omni Brazil for Anna Ebishia can Mujumedia, also 18 said Dimitiana, Washington Sunday Mamse we my walk up and also 18 out of USF and Ghana, Yentimi and Kubi and Emum, and Marcana Elbow Modern Park Game Park Limited madama the games net and ba Mr. Modada obeso de for dia kwanya na beda we se obeto chacha na boa mouse wetwen senya kakra dia boa ta so fisa be record download Game Park for omhye no nya wa aye wo tablet na se computer na se phone na akọ aye Play Store no so na wetwen san www.gamepark.com na fe so wetmi edun wetwen san gym star 946 hash na all networks obetwen asenya na wetwen san to ne see kama Mr. obetwen choose from numbers no 0 to 9 na wetwen san choose easy to play and then easy to win as well. Nti bomodin da chale e na fa hu gym se be betwen senya mula ska kraga kudi cash e dia boy ata so Mr. nobody beats our all Ghana and if it's able to na kwakai say Game Park Limited omuchacha yo dia abadie ebuda ho amanfo twa na dia so na omu edi bomodin da so do hu betwen san gym Game Park games no more mula more power and ye kan wasem e dia chiro Mr. game near regulated by the National Lottery Authority and after so kwa oni mu feeling twanya de betwen san bo obeti so anase utwachacha ya na odi adwene kakra etua sato eno pa ho Richoko Mr. obesa no reshi day now start today right there Richoko bomodin da so sabetia ke be renew energy no afema vitality ultimate start day right Richoko made from Ghana's finest kuku and ye di one dance ye dia ma no Mr. nutrients ne good for the body bomodin da so sabetia ka be family no obi a ura ba bia na setua ka be oye shopping bia na oye breakfast bia ka say Richoko betua sa bomu na boa emaniama etia tutu ye dia ma Richoko no affordable bone da fam a obia betua san to bia oketwa e wadentem ane wo befuno ha obetua san to bolo boni bia kosifia ene ye hwes ne mesi koso onum bi na de bi senior mam so Richoko customized everyday nourishment na ane di one dance dem akoso ananum Richoko na enjoy Richoko na start day no right with Richoko way the Ghanaian way ane de san share so ko etua san jaw enti Mr. bomodin da san sabetia kabi in a Ghanaian way ana ye kan for Richoko e dia ma we mo ene sponsors mu tuturu to ne twetwe twa na no pay wo mo touch riboa ema edia o kensi o sempa ensa kan etmeja o meso so ana ke hwe nim se yen sabetia kan Patrick Osaje my countryman songo na wode ene so songo steak no etimi aba na so na homa no twekotweko ntenya dia nyama ebetia satotomu dia na ebijamu edia my sister Sandy be a guy in fact in terms of entertainment e Ghana dia obi entimi ne mami e monkomo obetia be ginam dia man but still sister Sandy be a guy e wode dwumadia ogusu edimene nkomo no ya kan suri ne kan su kra no no dia any munchiche mu etua saba bomodin da ka kire busuafo so bia metra TV no na sister Sandy bi guy edwumedi ne ba untime no agese bia tafra batwe midin de prof Ike Wallace agudie catch back open up gire mu and of course evidence based representation me jaw erade entine ni ma onyo kese yin bia de da so ni no mfa nko bia de da so the act of being a good guest is to know to say goodbye.